Welcome to the Learn, Launch, Leverage Academy channel, where we turn aspiring entrepreneurs into business rock stars. As you navigate the thrilling but often challenging journey of entrepreneurship, we're here to provide you with the knowledge you need to make your venture a success. Today, we're focusing on a crucial part of your journey, forming your very own LLC. From naming your business to filing your articles of organization, we'll be with you every step of the way. So buckle up and let's dive into the exciting world of LLC formation. Hello, future entrepreneurs. Today we're breaking down the process of starting your own LLC step by step. No fancy superhero analogies, just practical business guidance. Step 1, naming your business. Choose a name that not only resonates with your brand, but is also unique. Ensure it's not already in use and aligns with your business goals. This name will be the face of your venture, so make it count. Now, step 2, register your business. Visit your state's official website or contact the Secretary of State's office. Complete the required paperwork, providing details about your business, its purpose, and its members. Once approved, you'll receive a certificate of formation, officially recognizing your LLC. Step 3, gather your documents. You'll need essential information including your business name, the names and addresses of members, and a brief mission statement. Think of this as assembling the foundational documents that shape your business identity. Moving on to step 4, choose your management structure. Decide whether your LLC will be member-managed or manager-managed. Member-managed means all members share responsibilities, while manager-managed designates specific individuals to handle day-to-day operations. Consider the dynamics of your team when making this crucial decision. Finally, step 5, file your articles of organization. This is essentially your business's birth certificate. Submit the required documents, usually including your certificate of formation and a filing fee, to your state's Secretary of State. This formalizes your LLC's existence in the eyes of the law. Congratulations! You've navigated the key steps to establishing your LLC. Stay tuned for more insights and remember, each detail contributes to the solid foundation of your business. And that's it for our guide on LLC formation. We hope you found this information helpful as you embark on your entrepreneurial journey. If you gained valuable insights from this video, please hit that like button. It really goes a long way in supporting our channel. And don't forget to click subscribe to stay updated with more business insights and guides. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. See you in the next video.